How to add keyframes in Reelshot if supported. Keyframes in Reelshot provide precise control over property changes like position, size, or opacity over time. Mastering keyframes unlock advanced animations for your videos. This guide shows you how to use them. Since the keyframes are only available in the Pro version, please follow the rest of the steps if you have a Pro version available. First, select the video, image, or text layer on your timeline that you want to animate. Look for a transform tool, position tool, or direct keyframe icon, often a diamond shape, in the toolbar. Tap it to access transform properties. Move your playhead to the starting point on the timeline for your animation. Now tap on the keyframe icon next to the specific property that you want to animate, such as position, scale, or rotation. A keyframe marker, often a small diamond, will appear on your timeline for that layer. Now move your playhead to the end point of your animation. Adjust the layers property in the preview window. Drag it to a new position to change its size. Reelshot will automatically add a second keyframe. The app will then interpolate the moment between these two keyframes. Play back your video to see your precise animation in action. You've successfully learned how to add keyframes in Reelshot. Unlock advanced animation control. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot Pro editing tips.